Okay everyone, let's try to create this transition. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and then continue watching the video. Okay, at first we need to add a slide. You see, this is the picture that I imported by format background, picture or texture from here and insert. Find the picture from the space you have and then the picture create. The important thing is that we need to create this picture. How we create it? It's really easy. We just need to add a rectangle and then we need to add our text. Let's say, for example, here we call it the nature mountain. Now I'm going to use the font Overdrive Sunset that you can download it. It's really easy. If you want, I can create a video on how to download it. And then after we edit it, it's okay. We select both of them and make them combine. Okay, now we created this thing. We need to create this cloud. This cloud is an icon. You can add it from insert icons. You can find the cloud easily, but I'm worst at finding the things. Because of that, I copy that like thing, but you can go here always. And by a little search from we find the cloud. This time with a little search. I'm training for this. You add the cloud and then you change the color and do the fix. Okay, we have the cloud now. The text is just a simple text. We just copy that and make it to be here. Then we select all of them. Select these two things. I want to create a little another thing. We convert it to shape. I want to do a little thing here. I don't know if it's look good or bad, but I'm going to use it. Let's say the color of the shape is white better or is black. I think it's white is better. We send it to back. We select the text and make them black. Then we select all of them and make them group. Now we copy that slide and in the copy we get it back a little and we create another copy and put it here. Now just set the transition of the two last slides into morph and let's see the magic. Okay. It's looking very beautiful. You can do some modification, like for example, add some outline to the shapes. If you like, maybe you can just add some outline, but I don't really prefer them, but it's up to you. For example, with some outline, it looks like this, but I don't like them. You can do as many things as you want. Okay, this is the end. Let me just put out the outlines. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.